Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lounisi Ali University Blida 2 in Algeria. Today we are going to present our 10th lecture titled What is Public Accounting? So I have divided my 10th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is public accounting? What are the main job titles used in public accounting? Language activities, including building vocabulary, and finally your assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is public accounting? Public accounting refers to a business that provides accounting services to other firms. Public accounts provide accounting expertise, auditing, and tax service to their clients. These services usually fall into one of the classifications noted below. What are the main job titles used in public accounting? The typical job titles used within a large public accounting firm in ascending order are as follows: staff, senior manager, principal, partner, office managing partner, regional managing partner, and finally managing partner. Language activities. The adjective public of government only before noun means connected with the government and the services it provides. Opposite of private, for examples. Mahidin spent much of his career in public office. Schools are worried about public spending cuts. Finally, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.